Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Comparing two files in Python while ignoring commented lines. Introduction. When working with files in Python, you may encounter situations where you need to compare two files while ignoring lines with comments. This is particularly useful when dealing with configuration files or scripts where comments are included for human readability. In this tutorial, we will explore how to achieve this comparison in Python with a step-by-step guide and a code example. Step 1. Open and read files. First, you need to open and read the content of the two files that you want to compare. You can use the open function to open the files and the readlines method to read the content line by line. Step 2. Ignore commented lines. Next, you'll want to filter out the lines that start with the comment character, hashtag. This can be achieved using a list comprehension. Step 3. Compare files. Now that you have filtered out the commented lines, you can compare the remaining lines using a straightforward equality check. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we explored how to compare two files in Python while ignoring lines with comments. By opening and reading the files, filtering out the commented lines, and performing a line-by-line comparison, you can determine whether the files are identical while disregarding comments. This approach is useful in various scenarios, such as comparing configuration files or script versions. ChatGPT.